Okay, who's gonna be the first?
Mom, I don't want any shots.
I checked, and your insurance covers you for this visit. However, there's a co-payment for each shot.
A copay? How much?
It'll be $50 each. And I recommend you and your husband get vaccinated too.
But I thought it was free.
I highly recommend that you get vaccinated before the flu season starts again.
Thank you, but I don't think we can afford it for all of us.
We don't want the vaccination.
Maybe we can try again next year.
Yeah, I just got my bag. Where are you? Oh, hey.
Trepsy, Jeremy, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jeremy.
Welcome to Los Angeles.
Thanks. What time is it?
10 a.m. Oh, bless you, bless you. Taxi! But listen, this guy's gonna be a real pain in our neck. Yeah, I know. Trust me, I know. Just all you gotta do is make sure you take good care of him.
Excuse me.
Hey!
Man, we got a nice one now, huh? Slow down, guys. Precious cargo coming through. Hey, I need you to buy me a little time, okay? Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you, darling. Oh, happy birthday, Grandma. Make a wish. Thanks, Dad.
Okay, let's go. I'm done.
Don't drink my stuff. Give it back.
You okay, sweetie?
I hate it when you drag me here at night. I'm tired.
Come here. Whoa. Hey, Bob, how's life? No. Shoots. Oh, sorry. I got it. Sorry. Oh, no problem.
Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. You should get the flu shot.
Maybe you're right.
Bless you.